Now, something you should know is the cursor concept. What happens here is that you create a file object is created, and then when you apply the read method, before applying the read method, the cursor stands at the very first character of the text file. When you apply the read method, the cursor goes to the end of the text file. So now, after the read method has been applied, the cursor stands here. If you apply another read operation like that, save, execute, what's going to happen is that maybe you were expecting these lines to be printed out 2 times. What happens instead is they are printed 1 time, and then this is just an empty string, because the cursor after the first execution of read was at this point, and below this point there's nothing, so you get that empty string there. What you can do is, if you want to print the content many times, what you can do is save the content in a variable and then print the content as many times as you wish, and you'll get the output 2 times, as you can see here. That's because the read method was executed only once here. So that's something you should know.